Are you in the market for a very affordable gaming PC? Well, this video might be for you. This is the best $500 gaming PC build for September 2022. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. We post these builds every single month to help inform you in terms of the most up-to-date hardware, in terms of cost performance under various budgets here at Newb Computer Build. You can visit the site as well. We post many other budgets as well if you have that in mind, or if you want a $500 build in mind, but you find other hardware that might be cheaper, etc. We're here to help, so you can leave a comment in the comments below or visit the site if you're putting together your build. But this is that build. Very $500 build would be considered that entry-level gaming PC build. It'll get you in, and it may not max all games out or anything like that, but you'll be able to play all the games on the market. And some might be scaled down, and some might be a little higher in terms of game presets, but this is that very entry-level build, and it also leaves you open to upgrades in the future. Such as we'll get into it, but there's not a graphics card included. It's using the integrated graphics on the CPU. So it leaves you for a significant bump in performance should you add one in the future. But let's get into it. The $500 PC build for September 2022. This build this month, the CPU recommended is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G, $163.27. This includes integrated Radeon graphics, which enables you for smooth 1080p gaming. The included cooler for this one is the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, which comes included, so no cost associated with that. Motherboard is a Gigabyte B550M DS3H motherboard at $99.99. That's gone down a bit this month. And then, like I had said, the graphics is the integrated Radeon RX graphics. However, you can always add discrete graphics later on should you want a bump in performance, but this will get you up in gaming regardless, and you don't need to upgrade if you don't need to upgrade. The RAM included is the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB kit, set $67.99. Storage is a Crucial P2 250GB NVMe SSD at $34.84, and the power supply is a Thermaltake Smart 500-watt power supply for $34.99. And then the case is the Zalman S3 mid-tower gaming PC case for $54.99. And this build, and all the builds actually posted this month for their respective budgets, come in under budget, well under budget when compared to last in the previous months. So the $500 build for September 2022 actually comes out to $452. So it leaves you room for what? Tax, if you want to include that in there to get you under budget, but also room for upgrades and things like that should you want to add them, which we do include here at newbcomputerbuild.com. If you want to jump over here and look at some of the upgrade suggestions as under each of these builds, you can do that by reading the full article. But yeah, until next month, best of luck building your PC if you're building one, or if you're just watching these to keep up to date. Welcome, and hopefully you get to build your next PC soon. But yeah, if you have any comments, please, questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, or visit the site newbcomputerbuild.com and leave a comment there. Best of luck.